Hey guys, ZedTV here. Welcome back to another video. And well, by the time of uploading this video, we have been done with exam season. We are done. We have completed it. Oh, just a huge well done. Huge congratulations on getting through GCSEs or your A levels. Now, just relax. You've done all the hard work. Sit down. Just chill. Just wait till results day. Have fun. Go outside. Play games. Chill around your friends and your family. Just have the time of your life because you deserve it. It's been a long journey. This is my last time at the library for my A levels. Tomorrow, Friday, I've got biology paper 3 and we're done. Gonna miss it, you know, gonna miss the academic stress. We are done. Last ever session at the library completed. Went over a lot of unifying biology concepts, going over things like the heart, transporting animals, cloning and biotech, micropropagation, all that stuff. That's some advanced information and that could come up tomorrow. It's been a long journey. Done it, guys. Next time you'll see me, it's after my exams, and I'll be recording a video straight after that. Feels good to be done. Come on, you know. Come on. We are done. Yeah, 8 exams. 9 for me. I had 8. My exam's done. How are you feeling? Right. Passed? Pretty sick. Why not? Look there. No. Let's go. Wow, what a journey it's been. What a long month. Lucian.
Tu me dis pas les choses. Allô, 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 Ellie, Ellie, je te fais paro, paro, paro. Allô, 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 Ellie, Ellie, je te fais paro, paro, paro.
What Zach thinks of A levels.
Maths, business. I don't even do business, but
This is why I think about A-levels.
come on. Dapo! My guy, he's too tall. You had an ice cream, yeah?
Yeah, man, that shit was good. Hey, man, I'm gonna miss you.
Yes, Jay, my G.
My brother,
My brother. You good? My guy, looking fresh, all that writing on your shirt. Yes, Zach, yeah, sure. Biology done. I can't believe it. That's the end of sixth form. End of A levels. Everyone's just outside now. There's an ice cream van. We're just chilling. We're having a barbecue. The year 11s out there as well. Just everyone together. Don't know how much you can see that. And it's the last time I'm ever going to be in this school. To be fair, I will be back for results day. No, it doesn't feel like it yet, but I have talked to a couple of my teachers, gave them hugs, almost started crying a couple of times. I haven't cried yet, but GCSE results day I started crying, so might cry again.
This tastes bad. It looks like shortbreads.
Is it nice, Josh?
Haven't tasted.
I'm vlogging the whole thing. We are off. What song do you want to put?
Put AC on, AC on, AC on.
Man. Give us a minute. Prem. Goodbye, All Saints. We'll miss you. We are out of here. Goodbye. 7 years we've been here. It's been nice knowing you. Josh, Amy!
Passing by, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time.
What did it happen?
This video came out really late because I've been chilling, and it has now settled in. We are done, and I've got an 11-week holiday to do anything, but I'm obviously going to try my best to use productively. Time to game more throughout this holiday and more regular, consistent uploads hopefully. I've got a huge list of videos I want to do every 3 or 4 days, as well as a bunch of gaming ones. So we'll see how that goes on. I really want to be on schedule, as well as the massive A-level results day video, which I plan to vlog this time. Without further ado, I'm going to start on recording this video and chilling, and yeah, just want to take this chance to say all the best in everyone's futures. Goodbye.